Hi guys, I'm Peter from telescopeguides.com. Today I want to show you how you can connect and control your telescope with the computer if you have a Skywatcher SynScan Go to mount. It's very easy, so let's start straight away. First thing to do, you have to power on your telescope mount and just go through all the initial settings. And when the mount is asking you for the alignment, you click number 2, which is no. Then select utility function with your arrows and find PC direct mode. Connect your USB cable to the handset and click enter. Now you can connect the end of the USB cable to your computer. While you are in the PC direct mode, you can use your handset to move the telescope with the arrows, but when you hit escape, you will lose the connection to the computer, so just use the SynScan app to control your computer while it's connected. As you can see, I'm using a small tablet slash laptop, and it's because I'm using it for astrophotography. So my computer is outside, and I'm remotely connected to this small laptop with my PC. So all the movements of the telescope and controlling the camera is done by this small laptop. Now when you are connected with the mount, just run the SynScan Pro application. When you are in, go to settings and choose the connect settings, then select serial. If you are connecting through Wi-Fi module, you have to go here through network, but we are using wired connections, so you have to select the serial, and I'm using here COM4. Go back and click connect. As you can see, we have to allow the connection, and the telescope mount is connected. The telescope is still not aligned, but you can already control it with the arrows. Here you can choose the speed. You can maybe here. So then when you are connected, you just have to go through the alignment process, which is here in the left top corner, and you have almost the same options as on the handset, except this north level alignment. This method is pretty good for beginners because you don't have to know any stars on the sky. You just level your telescope and you point it to true north, and then you just start the alignment. You can pick the star or planet here, and the telescope will slew automatically to that location. You will just have to center the object in the eyepiece, or if you have a camera connected, so on the screen. After the alignment, it's pretty easy. You can pick any object you want, and the telescope will slew automatically and point to it, or you can use the arrows. Okay, so that's it for the SynScan Pro app. I'm not going to do a tutorial on how to use it, maybe next time, but this is how you connect your telescope with a computer. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button and consider subscribing, because I'm going to do more how-to videos about the telescopes, as well as a mini-series about the budget astrophotography. I already uploaded my image collection with the budget setup, so you can have a look. I will leave the link in the video description, and feel free to ask any questions in the comment section below. So thank you again, and I will see you in the next video.